All right, you've seen it. There were 5 boots on each side in the front, so that's 10 boots that we put grease in. Plus we did the A bracket or whatever you want to call it on the top ball joint. On the front tire up here where it connects to the car, we put a little grease in there. And there was 3 joints on each back tire. And there's another one that I can't reach, so I'm not going to take the tire off to get it. We're, you know what I'm saying, we're not going to go that far today. Man, to do work on a fucking Tesla, you actually need 4 floor jacks. I mean, it'd be nice to rotate the tires possibly right now, but I mean, I'm just, it's a brain fart. I don't think I would do it anyways, but to do it, you would need 4 jacks. They should have, instead of just 1 jack point, you know, 2 jack points on each side, there should be another. So you got a jack point right here. There should be another. This one should be over here a little bit further. There should be another one, so you can put safety blocks there. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you got a jack point here. There should be a place where you can put safety blocks right here. Boom. That makes sense. That way you can put the car down and move the jack to another location. Anyways. Oh, here's the other oil or grease that we got, Mobil 1 synthetic. This is good shit too. So I'm gonna have to repack my trailer bearings with grease. Very easy job. Just got to make sure you got some cotter pins, new cotter pins for the lock bolt. We're gonna let this baby down. We're good. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off that grease needle and put it away in that box. Put the tip back on it. Tip. Here's a pair of pliers where I can pull it off. And like I said, you want to try to keep them sharp. If you do have to, let's put these glasses away before I step on them. Whew, that was fun. Grease needle. Wow. Don't stab yourself. Now I was gonna rinse this out, but it's grease. Okay, there's a cap for the needle right here. Like I said, man, you want to keep these things sharp. I mean, if you ever wanted to put something inside of a needle to keep it good, it's grease. So just leave it in there. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna put this back in this little case, and this is something that will always stay inside the car here, even when I sell this car and get a new one. Yeah, like I was telling you, you know, you'll wait for that 0% financing, and that's free money, gentlemen. What you'll do is you'll go in there, wait for them to run that promotion for 0% financing. If they indeed do run it, which they will, it comes and goes. Sometimes in the spring, summer, mostly in the late fall when they're starting to get rid of the old inventory. But in any case, Then you take this car into Echo Park, see how much they'll give you for it. And you might take it a few other places if you want to. I wouldn't waste your time with CarMax. They're pretty much lowballers. But then you buy the new car, take off all your parts on this one, your core electrical or your wiring for your Arb refrigerator, take off your wiring for your module, for your trailer lights, take off the hitch, bring it in. Take out all your adapters, charging adapters and everything. Those are going to transfer to your next car. Then you start afresh with a brand new car. And unfortunately, I can't get a white one, because if I get a white one, no one will even know it's new. I have to get a different color. So the free color is gray. I forget what they call it, the gray color, but they have a really nice silver color, but it's $2,000 extra. And of course they have other colors too, but you'd have to go with that lunar gray or whatever the fuck they call it, because it's free. You know what I'm saying? You don't pay for stuff like that color. At least I don't anyways. Although if I didn't ever have a white one, I would pay for the extra $1,000 for a white. We're good, guys. Oh, we're going to show you another little trick. Okay, we're going to make sure that the other side is out too. Just trying to put shit away, guys. That's why we get paid the big bucks. It's going to be nice when the car isn't knocking like that. Oh my God, because it was knocking pretty bad. At low speeds, you know, when you're turning around, making a couple point turn to turn around and shit, it would make that noise. Tung, 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 knocking. It's your ball joints. Now they have grease. They should be good for quite some time, gentlemen. I thought I'd be done with this way sooner than this, guys. It's just one of those things, man. I thought it would be 2 or 3 joints, if that, in the front. Now, we'll be doing the same thing with this Jeep, although this Jeep has grease fittings. So every time you change the oil, you'll be greasing those fittings. And at 3,000 miles, you will be redoing the torque on the suspension bolts. All the torques are listed on the website, so you just pull it up, and I will make a cheat sheet so it's real quick and easy for me to do the torques on the Jeep suspension system. I guess I should let you guys go, huh? You don't have to watch me do all this grunt work, do you? Okay, this here, we're gonna actually just keep this on here, and then we're gonna actually put this cap back on the tip, and then this will be just like this. Like I said, this in the heat of the summer, even though I don't keep this in the garage, in the heat of the summer, the grease liquefies, especially if you leave it in here. The grease liquefies, and then next thing you know, you got a big problem. I'm going to show you a little trick here. One of our tires is showing a little wear. Here's some paint. We're going to make that tire look brand new. See the wear right here, scratching? When you buy tires, let me see if there's any. I think that's the only tire that has it. When you buy tires, wheels, make sure you get a color that you can touch up with paint. I mean, this is real easy because these are black, flat black. So you can buy flat black paint, dime a dozen for a can. And like I said, and no matter how good you are or how good you think you are, you will scratch your rims. This makes you look like you got brand new tires, wheels, brother. Only where it's chippy. Okay, that's good. Just like that, we just dressed up the tires, buddy. Yeah, we got to go to work tonight, make some money. Had an okay week this week again, but we're definitely going to be cutting down. We're only going to be working probably Friday, Saturday, and Sunday every week, and I might throw in a Thursday or a Tuesday if I'm bored, but that's a big maybe. Okay, let's let this babe down. Very good investment, gentlemen. Now, before I forget, we got to take off those jack pucks, because if we don't take them off right now, if you don't take them off right now, you will fucking get deterred, distracted, and you'll lose them. They'll eventually come off when you're driving. I've got 4 of them in here. 4 pucks. Grease needles. Yeah, we're gonna do, when it's time to do this Jeep. Now, I've got the first 2 oil changes with this Jeep. The dealer does them for you, and they give you a new air filter. So they'll be doing all the fittings for me, but I'm gonna make sure when they're done, I'm gonna go in and check, make sure they got them all. Or what I'm gonna do is I am gonna have them tell me how many they did, well, how many fittings they did, the number. There's actually one fitting over there that's really hard to get at. So yeah, when I came home from work last night, I picked up the grease needle and a pack. I knew I had grease, but I figured, what the fuck, let's get another tube. And I picked that stuff up because I knew I was going to be doing it today. So it's kind of cool to get that done. Done. New tires. What I really want to do is I checked the website, Tesla website yesterday to see if they had that sale. They do not, but 0% or even 0.99% is okay too. But it's an ideal time to, before you spend $2,000 on tires, to trade it in. It's very, very ideal time to do it. And you may also go to T-Sportline and you'll get the real light. Oh, this lady's so cool, man. She picks up garbage. You know, I'm gonna quit fucking giving her shit. It's not even her street, and it's not even her garbage, and she's picking up. I do the same thing. I'm not quite that extreme, because she's far from here.